In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install TurboTax from Amazon, so you're ready to get started with TurboTax to manage your taxes more efficiently. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Amazon.com and ensure you sign in with your account. This step is crucial because you need an account to make the purchase and access your downloads. Once you're logged into your Amazon account, you'll see the familiar search bar right at the top of the page. Here, you're going to type in TurboTax, followed by the specific year or version you're interested in. Doing so will help narrow down the search results to the exact product you want. After performing the search, you might see several versions and options. Look for the one that says download as the format, as you're looking to download the digital version, rather than opting for a physical CD or USB. After selecting the download format, you'll add this to your cart, then proceed to checkout and complete your purchase as you normally would. If you're using a credit card, be sure to double check all your details and ensure everything is correct before confirming your order. After your purchase is completed, the great news is that TurboTax is just a few clicks away. Now, to download your newly purchased software, navigate to Your Orders on Amazon. Under the Your Orders section, find the Digital Orders tab. This is where Amazon organizes all your purchased digital content. When you spot TurboTax in your list, you'll see a handy download button next to it. Simply click on this button and the download process will start. After the download has finished, locate the downloaded file on your device. It's usually found in your default downloads folder, unless you specified another location. You'll notice it's a file ending with .exe, which is the installation file for TurboTax. Go ahead and double-click this file to open it. This will initiate the installation process. With the installer now open, the setup wizard will guide you through the installation steps. You'll see on-screen instructions asking you to agree to the terms of use and possibly offering some configuration options. It's always a good idea to read through these and make any selections that best fit your needs. Follow each step by clicking Next and allow the installer to run its course. It might take a few minutes, so feel free to grab a coffee while you wait. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message and TurboTax will be ready to use on your computer. And there you have it. You're all set to start using TurboTax right from the comfort of your own device.